All right, you guys, here's the latest boat update. Figured I'd give you all the walk up. You guys don't always get to see what a beauty this baby is. So here we go. Today we were working on, me and Nick helped me out a bit. For sure, did a lot of taping. I did a lot of painting. And we got the interior of the boat, one coat of gel coat on. Check it out. Around the sides and in the cuddy. See if we can get a good shot.
Fog is a multitude of minute water droplets suspended in the atmosphere, sufficiently dense to scatter light rays and reduce visibility. Fog forms when the air temperature is at or below the dew point and is commonly associated with a warm front at night. Advection fog. The most troublesome type of fog to mariners